going on, everybody? So today we're here with Jack and Cam. We're about to be putting in, where's your box? That thing. It's gonna be a bitch, but we're gonna do it. Here's the deal. So like, everyone's been like complaining about this install.
Literally, all of it is easy. The only thing is getting one bolt out. That's what makes it so hard.
Because it's in like this really hard to reach spot, and it's like your hand almost doesn't fit in there. So, dude, Jack's about to take off the under trays.
Yeah.
So, you know how this goes. So Jack's taking out a metal under tray right now.
12 mil over there?
It's massive, so he's doing that. It's just to make it easier to get to the diverter valve, the stock one. Cause like, it's kind of blocking the way that you get your hand in there, so. This is what it looks like currently under the car.
Oh, it's just a pull. Just pull it forward.
What?
Keep.
Cam.
It's literally on like a tab.
You're breaking this shit.
I'm not. I promise.
Also, look at these ding-a-lings. Huh? I'm talking about your little front carbon things, the fangs.
Yeah.
It's like they protrude more than I thought. More than Jack thought.
Here, I'll just show them. This is what I gotta get out.
This man's probably on AFE springs.
No, they're...
That would be so fun.
That's what I gotta get out. That's the diverter valve.
Jack,
What?
tell him what you're getting at Home Depot.
Dude.
Oh, the light's out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's... I don't know.
So what happenend?
Well, hang on. I gotta film
Oh,
this.
we're like double vlogging right now.
Technically don't have all the right tools, so we're going to Home Depot and grabbing some... What are we even grabbing, Cam?
E-Torx bits.
Okay, so we're in here. Jack, get over here. I'm not surprised. Look at
Oh,
this.
never mind. It's right here.
Oh wait, I'm out of focus. See, that's what pisses me off about this camera. I have to do it myself.
Yeah.
Alright, well. And this is where I got my tool set. I have a video on my channel from like a long time ago. It was like a year. It was when I had the red card, dude.
Right here.
Alright, so the first bolt's out. Yeah, first bolt's out.
Hey, do you see this bolt right here?
Jack's finding out that his freaking one of his transmission bolts was loose. Freaking weird. It's like someone freaking loosened it. But yeah, progress is being made. One's out. We got 2 more to go. Third one's gonna be a pain in the ass, so it'll be fun. Freaking one's dirty.
I decided I was jealous of you having a cool, fast car, so I decided to sabotage you.
Alright, so Jack, they were able to pull 2 bolts out. Just 2 clips after this when it's actually done.
Anybody fucking try this. Bring it to a shop, it's not worth it.
That wraps up
So,
the video.
We got
See you guys next
Jonah.
time.
Jonah came over here, started tearing up the car.
I mean,
and then,
I tried.
yeah, you did try, but they had to basically pull this fan up. We finished.
Oh, yes.
You got some good room over here. Keep turning. Keep turning. You have like 2 feet. Oh, it's really late. This is giving me flashbacks of the charge pipe, dude.
Oh!
We've done the hardest installs on F chassis.
Oh,
Okay, oh man. That shit scared me. Hear that ding-a-ling and freaking freak out. Yeah, we're gonna get gas and then we're gonna get into boost a little bit. See, so.
Dude, I got fucking... That under tray shit is made of like fiberglass, and it's all in my arm.
No way.
Yeah, it's
Oh, God.
so... It feels a little bit more punchy on the throttle. I think my fan sounds a little loud. Oh yeah. Up way more, and it held boost way longer than it would have. It would have been like, and it would have let go.
This will be the thumbnail.
What the fuck? Damn! That's sick.